Hey guys, today we will talk about how to instantly convert SpayLater to GCash. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is head over to a cash application and log in your account with your 4-digit code. Once you log in, you will see the same interface like me. And here you will see multiple options. From these, you have to select Option Bills. Once you will select Option Bills, below you will see all the methods by which you can do it. So click on the option Other, and you have to find the option of a SpayLater. If you find that will be well and good, but there is no official way by which you can find this method. Let me explore more about it. Here you can see I asked to AI how to instantly convert SpayLater to GCash. This one is the breakdown. You can also read all this by yourself. But let me write a bit. SpayLater is designed for purchases within the Shopee platform, and directly converting it to cash is not a standard officially supported feature. It means through official way, you can't do it. If you scroll down more, here you can also read everything. A way that is mentioned is through merchandise QR codes. Try this method by yourself. If this will work, then good. But if it's not, then do not do it.